So
Go
for
on.
me, the starting point would be to define what entrepreneurship is. So entrepreneurship is the process of creating, developing, managing a new business venture to make a profit or to solve a problem.
Mm.
It involves identifying opportunities, taking risks, and innovating to build a successful enterprise. So all these things, when you are saying, I want to go into business, what problem are you trying to solve? I think that should be at the back of your mind, because normally what you see with businesses that take off, you would have solved a problem that is affecting the community, the society, and then the society buys into your vision.